itself. Now I'll get all this out, set it up, and show you what it looks like. Now I've got this set up for stick welding right now. So my positive is my electrode lead, my negative is the ground. And I have the MIG set up on it, but I don't currently have it hooked up. But you can see here you have a mode button, and that changes it to lift TIG, which is an option if you have the TIG gun. You can go MIG there, your MIG mix gas, and your MIG flux. And then a spool gun, which is also an option if you have the spool gun for it. But we'll go up here to MMA for stick. Now on stick, you only have the one knob to adjust, so super simple adjustment. And this one is hooked up to 220 right now, but can also run on 110. And I'll go ahead and get my helmet on, and we'll just weld just a little bit with this stick and show you how that works, and then we'll switch over to the MIG. All right, we'll just run just a little bit of stick and show you how it does work with it. Super quiet when it's running. Now the on-off switch and fan are on the back. I didn't show you that. And the gas hookup, of course. But we'll switch it over to flux core welding, and I'll show you how it welds with that. All right, I've got it all set up on flux core. We've got some flux core wire in there, you can see, hooked up. Now this will accept the big rolls or the small rolls. Right now we've got a small roll on it. And then for flux core, you've got, of course, your MIG gun lead. And your wire that comes out of the welder goes to the negative, and your ground clamp goes to the positive. And you can control this here however you want. You got a few different settings here you can control. But we'll try it out and see how it welds. All right, now we will try it out here on this steel. Welds really good flux core and super easy to set, super easy to adjust. Kind of all adjust together as one.